Hi, I'm Dan from Tentworld Online, and today we're looking at the Smokin Hot Rocket Stove. For the camper adventurer needing a compact, lightweight and easy setup, it's hard to overlook this versatile stove from RPM Innovations. From the carry bag, setup takes less than a minute. So from your base, you have your two back legs to insert, and then insert your front leg, insert the ash door at the back, next insert your ash plate, chimney slides in on top, and lastly the trivet goes on the chimney, and you're done. A small amount of kindling is all you need, as it directs all the heat through the chimney. This heats really quickly, with maximum efficiency while also being environmentally friendly. You can cook just about anything by putting a pot, pan or billy on the trivet. You'll be able to feed the family with hardly any effort at all. For this product, go to your nearest Tentworld store or visit us online at tentworld.com.au.